In this video, I'm just going to show a method of putting drawers together using the domino. In the past, I've always done the pocket holes where the front and back, the pocket holes are drilled and screws put in, and then for the front, when you have the front face, it hides it all so you don't see it. And in the back, you don't see it unless you take the drawer out. I've used similar methods when I've made drawers for kitchen cabinets, and in this case I had, because it wasn't going to have a door front, I put the pocket screws on the sides instead, and then covered them with plugs, and that worked fine also. Easy way to make drawers. Today we're going to try to do it with the domino. Well, I've already milled and prepared the boards the normal way, as if I was using pocket holes. But so I have the groove for groove or slot for the drawer bottom. These drawers would traditionally go like this, and we would drill pocket holes here, 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 and assemble them. This time we're going to try with the domino. So just to mark things up, just so that we know to put them back together, let's say 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. I'm just going to say this is the outside pieces. These pieces have been milled to 3/4 inch. It's brown maple. So I'm going to use 8mm dominoes, which are 40 millimeters long. 3/4 inch is just a little over 19 millimeters, so these will go in quite nicely. And for the domino itself, I am going to be using the tightest setting for the width of the domino, because these are 40 millimeters. I do a depth of 20, so it'll go through the 3/4 and into the end pieces. Then I set the depth also to 20 millimeters. And I'm using the guide, I'm not sure what Festool calls it, but with these, you have the registration on the dominoes, which from the center of the bit gives you 37 millimeters. And then with this guide, you have other stops, which reduces the distance from the center to the stop to 20 millimeters. Reason we'll be using that, of course, is because of the groove, as we'll see shortly. So we'll get started, just so there's no mistake. These front and back pieces will have to go into the end, and then the other side pieces will go through the wood from the face. So we'll do the end pieces first. So with the groove on this side, then we want a bigger spacing. So we'll use the domino reference pins right here. For the other end, we'll get closer to the edge, so we'll use the flip stop here. So therefore that'll be closer to the edge. So there are the 2 domino holes in that end. Repeat on this one. Slots over here, so we need the longer distance to go flip the stop. Also, just to be safe, it's best to do the flipping of the stops when the machine's off, although the bit is inside, but still a chance. so it's closer to the edge. There's one piece. Here the groove is on that side, so that will be the target one. The domino stop. This will be closer, so we'll put the stop on the attachment. So the groove, we want the domino stop, larger distance, which is 37 millimeters. To be closer to the top, we'll flip the stop and it will be 20 millimeters from the top. So now we'll do the side pieces. These have to go in through the face. So now, the one with the groove will be the farther distance one, so we use the stop on a domino. This time we're going through the face. Edge, we'll go closer, so we'll flip the stop. The board. The slot is on this side, so you want the larger distance. The top, want the shorter distance, the 20 millimeter. Do the same on the last board. Again, we want the larger distance because this is the groove side. Using registration on the domino. Flip the stop on the auxiliary plate and then do the shorter one. So again, this is the groove size, so we want the longer distance. Flip the stop for the shorter distance. on the other side. There's the 4 pieces. Now let's just see how it all fits. Again, these are 8mm dominoes, 40mm depth. It's nice. There's the dried fit, working quite well. It's all clamped. You also have the option, if you wanted to, peg them in from this edge. I think that'll make for a nice box. A little bit of contrast on the edge, although you won't see that. Well, you'll see the front of the door first. The next step will be cutting the panels for the bottom. That should do it for this video. I'll cut the bottom and glue it all together, and everything should be great. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great day.